The Defence Acquisition Council has approved 9 capital acquisition projects worth 45,000 crore rupees. That includes 12 more Su-30 fighter jets and their associated equipment worth 11,500 crore rupees. 5 next-generation naval survey vessels worth 3,300 crore rupees, 800 light armored multi-purpose vehicles and integrated surveillance and targeting systems for 2,000 crore rupees, and over 200 Dhruv Astro anti-tank guided missiles worth 700 crore rupees for the Rudra attack helicopters. Bharat Electronics Ltd has announced that it has received an order of 2,118 crore rupees from Cochin Shipyard Ltd for the supply of sensors, weapon equipment, fire control systems and communication equipment for the upcoming 6 next-generation missile vessels of the Indian Navy. It has also received additional orders worth 886 crore rupees for the upgrade of Air Force Network SATCOM, upgrade of Akash missiles with RF seeker and inertial navigation system. After the successful local production and delivery of M4 armored vehicles to Indian Army, the UAE-based Paramount Group has announced that the company is broadening its development and manufacturing partnership with Bharat Forge Ltd and Kalyani Strategic Systems to produce a wider range of armored vehicles in India for global customers of Paramount Group, including the Mbombe-6 infantry combat vehicles. Bharat Forge has announced that it is set to venture into the development of torpedoes and is collaborating with Dastan Corporation from Kyrgyzstan. The joint mission involves the co-development and upgrade of Russian torpedoes that are currently employed by the Indian Navy, and officials have said that the Stage 1 has been successfully completed, and now the collaborators are poised to advance to Stage 2, that includes field tests in the Indian Ocean. Spanish shipbuilder Navantia has successfully completed the factory acceptance tests of its third-generation AIP system built for SAT Plus class submarine, thus verifying the performance and operational capabilities of the AIP in a simulated operating environment. This is significant, as Navantia and India's Larsen & Toubro has offered 6 SAT Plus submarines to India under Project 75I, that will be equipped with the same Spanish AIP system. During the handover ceremony of the first C-295 transport aircraft, the Indian Air Force Chief and Indian Embassy officials received a briefing on the Airbus A400M transport aircraft, which is being offered to the Indian Air Force as part of its medium transport aircraft tender. With a maximum payload capacity of 37 tons, the A400M technically falls outside the requirements mentioned in the tender. However, Airbus believes that the A400M can effectively bridge capability gaps in transport within the Air Force, and its local production with technology transfer fully aligns with the government's Make in India vision.
Omar dropped it.